Welcome to the Quiz Pal. It's time to do what we all secretly love. Rank Christmas movies from iconic, enjoyable, boring, total trash, or unseen. Will your favorite movie make the top tier? Stick around and drop your rankings in the comments. Let's begin. Where does The Thin Man rank on your list? Is Remember the Night a Christmas classic for you? How would you rate The Shop Around the Corner? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, or trash? Does Meet Me in St. Louis deserve a top spot? Is Christmas in Connecticut a must-watch? Where does It's a Wonderful Life fall on your tier list? Is Miracle on 34th Street S tier for you? How high would you rank It Happened on Fifth Avenue? Is The Bishop's Wife a holiday favorite? Does Holiday Affair make your top tier? How do you feel about A Christmas Carol? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Is White Christmas a seasonal staple for you? Would We're No Angels make your top 10? Does Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer hold up for you? Is a Charlie Brown Christmas S-tier material? Where would you place Frosty the Snowman? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Does Black Christmas fit in your tier list? How high does Trading Places rank? Where is A Christmas Story land on your list? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Is Gremlins a Christmas movie classic for you? Does Santa Claus, the movie, rank high? How would you rate Babes in Toyland? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Is Scrooged one of your holiday favorites? Where does Ernest Saves Christmas fit on your list? Is Die Hard a Christmas must-watch? How do you rank National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation? Does Prancer deserve a high rank? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Where would Metropolitan go on your list? Is Home Alone a top-tier holiday movie? Does The Nightmare Before Christmas top your list? Is Grumpy Old Men an underrated Christmas gem? How does Mixed Nuts rank for you? Does The Ref make your list? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Where would you place the Santa Claus? Is Jingle All the Way S tier? How do you rank Jack Frost? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Does Dr. Seuss' How the Grinch Stole Christmas make your list? Is the Family Manna holiday a favorite for you? Where does Bridget Jones's Diary fit for you? How high does Friday After Next rank? Is Elf the ultimate Christmas movie? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Does Love Actually rank on your list? Is Tokyo Godfathers a Christmas masterpiece? Where does Bad Santa rank for you? How high does Christmas with the Cranks go? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Is the Polar Express a must-watch for you? Does The Family Stone belong in your top tier? Is Kiss Kiss Bang Bang a Christmas favorite? How would you rate the holiday? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Does Deck the Halls make your list? Is Last Holiday a hidden gem? How high would you rank Fred Claus? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Does This Christmas make your favorites list? Where does Four Christmases land on your tier list? Is A Christmas Tale a holiday classic for you? How do you rank Disney's A Christmas Carol? Does Arthur Christmas deserve a top spot? Is A Very Harold and Kumar Christmas your kind of Christmas movie? Where would you place The Best Man holiday? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Is Black Nativity rank high for you? Is Get Santa a Christmas classic? How would you rate Carol? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Is Krampus a Christmas favorite? Where does The Night Before go on your tier list? Does Almost Christmas make your top 10? Is Office Christmas Party an essential holiday watch? Where would you place A Bad Mom's Christmas? Does Anna and the Apocalypse make your list? Is The Man Who Invented Christmas a favorite for you? How do you rank A Christmas Prince? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Where does The Christmas Chronicles fit for you? Is The Princess Switch worth a high rank? Does Dr. Seuss The Grinch make your list? How do you rate Klaus? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Is Let It Snow a top-tier Christmas movie? Where does Last Christmas land for you? Does Noel rank high for you? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Is Happiest Season one of your favorites? How high would you rank Jingle Jangle? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Does Love Hard make your top 10? Where would you place 8-Bit Christmas? Is Boxing Day a Christmas gem for you? Does Spirited rank on your list? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? How do you rank Falling for Christmas? Is Best Christmas Ever a new favorite? Where does Genie land for you? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Does Dashing Through the Snow belong in your top tier? Is Candy Cane Lane worth a high rank? How would you rank Violent Night? Iconic, enjoyable, boring, trash, or unseen? Where does Hot Frosty fit in your rankings? Does Nutcrackers make your must-watch list? Did your favorites make the iconic tier? Or did we miss the mark? Let us know your rankings in the comments below. Until next time, happy movie watching!